In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopify account with ease, focusing on accessing and managing important sections. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, this guide will help you handle your online store effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Shopify's URL. Once you're there, you'll probably see the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials, your username and password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially your Shopify homepage. Now, from this dashboard, you want to locate and click on My Store. It's typically found in the left-hand menu or in a prominently displayed area on your dashboard. Clicking this link will take you to the main page of your store management section. This is where you can see an overview of your store's performance, manage products, and check on sales analytics. It's kind of like the command center for your online business. So, just approximately a minute into the process, you've already accessed the heart of your store operations. Once you're in My Store, look for the link or section labeled Your Account. This is usually found near the settings or profile areas. Clicking on Your Account takes you to a page where you can manage your personal information and business details associated with your Shopify account. This section is crucial as it allows you to ensure all your account information is up to date, which is vital for maintaining the accuracy of your store information and ensuring smooth transactions. The next step is to ensure that your account is correctly verified. Look for a section or button that says Verified on the account page. Clicking on Verified will either confirm your status as verified or guide you through steps to complete verification if it's not done yet. Verifying your account is an incredibly important step in protecting both your business and customers. It adds a layer of security and trust to your store, which can positively impact your sales and customer satisfaction. So, there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to navigate to the key areas within your Shopify account: accessing your store, managing your account details, and ensuring your account is verified. This foundational knowledge is essential for effectively running and managing your online store. Just remember to keep your credentials secure and your account information accurate. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well on your way to mastering your Shopify store. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy selling.